Okay, so before I start with the boring technical stuff, siguro, let me tell you first a story about the yoga. Hopefully, sana narinig ko yung yoga before. Anyways, okay, so, siguro, I'm here to tell you a story, pero this story won't be a really good story kung wala siyang good background. So, for the yoga, basically, it started back in 2005 or 2006, if I'm not mistaken. 2005. Okay, so 2005, we came up with the concept of a 360-degree hinge notebook. But syempre in 2005, medyo hindi pa ganun ka-advanced yung software or let's say the OS. So basically we scrapped it. But that concept, we garnered a lot of awards. One specifically coming from Red Dot. Okay? Then in 2009, we came up with another concept, which is a yoga pocket PC. Okay, so this one is a small device. If you're familiar with Nintendo DS, parang gano'n siya kalaki. But then again, during that time, medyo hindi pa rin din pulido. So we did a lot of research, then came up with a new design again in 2012, which is the Yoga 13. This one is the very first multi-mode PC that was launched in the market. Yoga 13. Okay. And then afterwards, let's say after 1 or 2 years, of course we need to innovate more with the design. Hindi lang basta-basta nababalik-baliktad. So we came up with another design. We improved on the design. We improved on the thickness, or rather the thinness of the product, and came up with the Yoga 3 Pro with its watch band hinge design. Okay, so yan na yung current model of the Yoga 3 Pro. So this yoga revolutionized the multi-mode industry, thus came up with a lot of other multi-mode products. Alright, so we're starting from the Yoga 13 up until the Yoga 3 Pro. Then, of course, right now, we're going to launch a new product. Okay, so how do you design the next generation product? Basically, we ask the people, or we ask you guys who are using said product. Alright, so there are 3 things that we are very concerned about. Anyways, there are 3 things that we are concerned about. First is syempre the actual mechanical design. Second is the cooling. And third, battery life. For any notebooks or any portable device, very important ang battery life. Dahil siya sa tagal. Okay, first, for the cooling, since we wanted the product, or the Yoga 900, to be as thin as possible, we did a lot of research on its cooling fan. So normally, when you say cooling fan, medyo malaki siya. And normally when you see it in the notebook, may fences sa gilid, parang malaking part na ganyan. But for the Yoga 900, what we did is we managed to make it larger but thinner. So, okay. So we made it larger but thinner. The next is we improved on the exhaust or the vents. Normally, for a typical notebook, ang vent niya or ang exhaust niya isa sa gilid o nasa ilalim. But for the Yoga 900, nasa hinge yung vent niya or yung exhaust. Okay. So this technology or this innovation made it 15% better airflow, but more quiet. And better cooling. Okay? Okay, so next is the design. So the watch band hinge, if you're familiar with the Yoga 3 Pro, basically we improved on it. Previously, the Yoga 3 Pro watch band hinge has around 600 to 700 parts. But for the Yoga 900, it has more than 800 parts. So that doesn't mean brittle siya or anything, but it made it more durable and thinner. And aside from the hinge, aside from the dami ng parts of hinge, it also improved on how you open or how you close the notebook. Basically, we included a function called Yoga Auto Lock. So basically, when you open the other notebooks, when you open or close the laptop, usually open, close. But for the anyways, later siguro papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano yung sinasabi ng Yoga Auto Lock. But normally, pag pa-close na siya, it automatically clicks down. Para hindi na siya hassle na open, close. Normally nakakasira kasi ng notebook yun. Alright? Then, next is the battery. Okay, the Yoga 3 Pro previously runs up to 7 hours. But for this one runs up to 9 hours. Alright? So, aside from the battery life, what other improvements that we did sa Yoga 900 is, previously we were using a different processor. It's called the Intel Core M processor, but now we're using a 6th generation Core i7 processor. So imagine using an i7 processor with up to 9 hours of battery life.